Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Today we are going to learn science. What subject? Science subject. Today we are going to learn. Last week we have completed lesson 3. Lesson 3. Last week we learned, no? Yes. What's the name of the lesson? What helps us know things? What helps us know things? We find out the object by the shape, size, color, no? Yes, in the second lesson we learned it. In the third lesson, what part in our body helps us to find out the things? We learn in this lesson, no? Now, look at here. We are going to revise it first. What is this? Eye. Very good. EYES, eyes. Eyes helps us to see. TO2SEE, eyes helps us to see the object. Very good. Only to see the object, eyes helps us? No, it helps us to find out the object size, what size the object is, what color the object is, and what shape is it. If you look at a ball, if you see the ball, you can find out, no, the ball is big or small. You can find out its size. Yes. What is the color of the ball? You can find out, no, when you look at the ball. Yes. And what is the shape of the ball also you can find out by using the eye. Not only to find out the size, color and shape, it also helps us to find out where the object is. The ball is near to you or the ball is far from you. Okay, now you understand this? Yes. And then next we learn about skin. Very good. SKIN, skin. Skin helps us. How skin helps us? Skin helps us. TO2FEEL, feel. Skin helps us to feel the things. How can we feel? By touching the things. We can find out it is hot or cold, soft or hard, smooth or rough, otherwise sharp or blunt. When you touch the pencil, tip of the pencil, you can find out the pencil is sharp or blunt. You can find out, no? Yes, very good. And when you touch cotton, how you feel? It is soft. And when you touch the bark of the tree, yes, very good, it is hard. And when you touch a teacup, it is very hot. You feel it, no? And when you touch a juice tumbler, it's very cold. Very good. You can find out by touching the object. And two things are best at feeling the things. What are the two things? Yes, very good. Our palm and our fingers. Our palms and our fingers are the best at feeling things. Are the best at feeling things. And the next one is, next what we learn? Next we learn about nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next we learn about nose. How nose helps us? Nose helps us to smell. T-O-2-S-M-E-L-L, smell. Nose helps us to smell the things. Very good. And only to smell the things? No, it helps us to find out the thing is nice or bad. The smell is nice or bad. Not only to find out nice or bad, it helps us to find out the smell is strong or mild. Strong or mild. And then we learn about ear. Then we learn about ear. E-A-R, ear. How ears help us? Yes. TO2HEAR, hear. Ear helps us to hear the sound. Only to hear the sound, our ear helps us? No, not only to hear the sound, it helps us to find out the sound is soft or loud. Soft or loud, and the sound is sharp or dull. Sharp or dull. When you shut the door of a car, what sound you hear? You can hear a dull sound. And when you hear the sound of horn sound of a car, what sound? It's very loud, very good. And how's the sound of a whistle? It is very sharp. It's very sharp. And what's the sound of a firecracker? It's very loud, very good. And what's the sound of turning the pages in the book? The sound is very soft. And next we learn about tongue. Next we learn about tongue. 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 Tongue helps us to taste. Tongue helps us to taste. 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 To taste. And we learn about some taste, no? Yes, we learn about 4 tastes in this lesson. What are the taste? Potato chips. You all like to eat it, no? What's the taste of the potato chips? It's very salty. Very good. Potato chips, salty. And what's the taste of the chocolate? Yes, it's very sweet. Very good. And then we learn about bitter. Bitter taste, no? Yes, one vegetable for bitter taste. Very good. Bitter gourd. And the next one we learn is sour. Next one is sour. What? We learn about one vegetable, no? Yes, I show you one vegetable, no? In the last class? Yes, very good. That is lemon. That is lemon. Lemon is sour. Yes, now we complete the lesson, no? Yes, we recall it nicely. Today we are going to learn lesson 4. Lesson 4. Look at the picture. What is this? Plants. Very good. Very good. TYPES, types. OF of PLANTS, plants. Types of plants. Today we are going to learn types of plants. And look at here. 4 types of plants. Some, 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 PLANTS, plants, ARERBAG, big. Some plants are big. You look at the picture, no? All the plants are same? No. Some plants are small and some plants are big. Very good. And then, and some plants, and SOME, some, PLANTS, plants, ARERSMALL, small, and some plants are small. Some plants are big and some plants are small. THOSE, those, PLANTS, plants, ARERTREES, trees. Those plants are trees. How we call that? We call it as a, very good. Those plants are trees. That, 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 GROW, grow, BIG, big, and TALL, tall. That grow big and tall. The big and tall plants are called as trees. Very good. And TREE, tree, TRUNKS, trunks, ARERHARD, heart, and STRONG, strong. Tree trunks are hard and strong. Look at here. What is this? Tree. Very good. Look at here. This is the trunk of the tree. How is it? It is very hard. It's very hard and strong. And look at here. Day, THEY, day, MAY, may, BEB, WHITE, white, ORR, BROWN, brown. They may be white or brown. Look at here. What is the color of the trunk here? It is brown. Very good. In this tree, the trunk of the tree is brown. In some trees, we can see white color trunk. And look at the next one. LEAVES, leaves. GROW, grow. ON, TOP, top. OF of THEM, them. Leaves grow on top of them. Look at here. The trunk is here and leaves grow on the top of it. Look at the next line. LIKE, like. Yeah. GREEN, green. CROWN, crown, like a green crown. Look at here. The leaves on the tree is looking like a green color crown for the trunk. You can see this, no? Yes, this is a trunk and the leaves on the top is looking at crown. A green crown is there. And then small plants. This is a tree. The big and tall plants are trees. And only trees are there around us in the surrounding? No, some other plants are also there, no? Yes, look at here. SMALL, small. PLANTS, plants. HAVE, have. GREEN, green. STEMS, stems. Small plants have green stems. Small plants have green stems. Look at here. This is a small plant. This is a small plant. Look at the stem. It is green. This is the stem of the plant and the stem is green. Okay. Now look at the next one. SOFT, soft. BUT, but. STRAIGHT, straight. AND, and. PROUD, proud. Small plants have green stems, soft but straight and proud. It stands straight. The soft stems stand straight. And then look at the next one. Now we are going to see about bushy. BUSHY, bushy. PLANTS, plants. Bushy plants. HAVE, have. WOODY, woody. STEMS, stems. Bushy plants have woody stems. And then SPREADING, spreading. FROM, from. THE, the. GROUND, ground. Bushy plants have woody stems. Woody stems means the stems are very strong. In small plants, the stems are very soft, no? Yes. But in the bushy plant, the stems are woody. The stems are woody. And it's spreading from the ground. Look at here. This is a bushy plant. This is a bushy plant. And the stems are woody. And the stems are woody. And it grows from the ground itself. The stems are woody. And look at the next one. CREEPERS, creepers. CLIMBERS, climbers. NEED, need. WALL, wall. Creepers, climbers need a wall. ORR, yeah. TREE, tree. NEAR, near. BY, by, nearby. Creepers, climbers need a wall or a tree nearby. Look at here. This is a creeper plant. This is a creeper plant. Yes, very good. What vegetable is that? Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a creeper plant and it need a wall or otherwise it's spread on the ground. And this is a climber. And this is a climber. And the climber plant need a support. It is having a support, no? Yes. One stick is here, no? Yes. What plant is it? You all like to eat it, no? Grape. Very good. Grape plant is a climber. What's the spelling for climber? CLIMBER, climber. Now look at here. Creepers, climbers need a wall or a tree nearby. Give them a helping. GIVE, give. THEM, them. Yeah. HELPING, helping. HAND, hand. Give them a helping hand. Very helping hand for it to grow. AND, and. THEY, they. WILL, will. CLIMB, climb. VERY, very. HIGH, high. And they will climb very high. Creepers and climbers need a wall or a tree nearby to grow, and then these walls and sticks are very helping hand for them and they will climb very high. They will climb very high. In big houses, they use it to grow it on the compound wall. It looks very nice, no? Yes, some climber plants give a colorful flowers. It looks very colorful at that time. Okay, children. Now you understand this. What are the types of plants we learn? First, we learn about tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Then we learn about small plants. S-M-A-L-L, small. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Then we learn about bushy plants. B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Bushy plants. How the stem are here? From the ground itself, the stems are woody. Very good. And look at the next one. Then we learn about creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. And then climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. These creeper and climber need a wall, otherwise a nearby plant to climb up high. Now you understand it clearly, no? We learn about tree, we learn about small plants, we learn about woody stems, bushy plants, and then we learn about creepers and climbers. We learn about 5 types of plants in this lesson. And we learn about these plants. What are the plants? How can we find out? That we learn in the next session. Now you all understand it, no children? Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read lesson 4, types of plants, page number 11 in your science book. Okay, children? Now you understand this? Yes, I hope you all understand this lesson clearly. Okay, children, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.